it is my pleasure to formally introduce Abuzar Zakir. He is a firm believer in this quote by Mae West, to live only once, but if you do it right, once is enough. He is passionate about various social causes. He is the chairman of Concern for Mumbai, an organization working towards protection and beautification of heritage structures and bridges in and around Mumbai. He also heads Concern for Sidhpur. Sidhpur is a town near Ahmedabad, and he's concentrated on uplifting the entire heritage town, which is crumbling with the frenzy of urbanization. He's heavily involved in restoring the lost beauty and is currently penning a book cataloguing the history of this town filled with these wonderful Havelis. He is the Joint Secretary and Trustee of the iconic Saifi Hospital and the Trustee and Treasurer of the Saifi Sanatorium. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome Abuzar Zakir to the front. May I also request District Governor to please come up, and I would request all of you to please give him a big hand.
So today is one of those days that I will cherish for a long, long time to come. As I stand here before you as the 52nd president of this renowned and respected club, the Rotary Club of Bombay Midtown. I stand here with the commitment to serve selflessly and further the cause of those who cannot be heard. You know, I've always had this nagging question bothering me again and again. Like, who am I? Or what have I done? And this is a question that has always come back to me again and again. Like, I may just be a CEO of a company or a trustee of a prestigious hospital, a son, a husband, a father. But if I take away all those labels and just am myself, and I ask myself, what have I done to impact at least one more life? And if I don't have a credible answer to that, then I think I have not achieved anything in life. But Rotary is an amazing platform for me to successfully answer that question. It also has the power of making an ordinary man look extraordinary. And that is the transformational effect that Rotary has had on me. My journey began as a young Rotaractor, and I'm happy to say that the Rotary spirit of fellowship and service in me continues to grow stronger year by year as a Rotarian as the years goes by. And this same spirit is strong within all of us sitting here, and I hope that we will reach a greater amount of people who need our help. I must state that it was you friends and you Rotarians who welcomed me from day one. Welcomed me from the depth of your heart with open arms and giving me the love and affection that encouraged me to take up the presidentship of this prestigious and elite club. Being associated with this club, I have realized that age is just a number. There is no old or young here. All like-minded enthusiasts working towards the same motive of a better tomorrow. And we must continue the legacy of what Paul has started this, that is enjoy Rotary. There is a quote by Sir Richard Branson which says, that I really love. It says, if you don't enjoy it, don't do it. You must enjoy what you do. So friends, let's enjoy this incredible journey that we are all in together. I am standing on the shoulders of giants before me. 51 fantastic presidents who have contributed selflessly. We have PDG Shirish Sheth, who is having a fever, but he still come for today's event. So 51 fantastic presidents who have contributed selflessly and brought us where we are today. And I hope that as the 52nd president, I am able to do justice to this role and continue the great legacy of Bombay Midtown. Thank you very much.
Miracle President Deepak Garg and Sarika, Club Secretary Vicky Punjabi and Sapna, incoming Smart President Abuzar Zakir and Alifia, our honorary guests today, Swiss Consul General Mr. and Mrs. Otmar Hardegger, and Russian Consul General Mr. Alexei Surovtsev, Rotaractors, interactors if any, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a pleasure and privilege to be amidst all of you this evening at the coronation ceremony of your smart, dashing and determined President Abuzar. Abuzar has already recognized all the pillars of strength of this wonderful club, 51 past presidents, Let us see how many of them are present here today. May I request all the past presidents to please rise and be recognized for your commitment. Do continue your association and guidance to the club. Thank you. In these times of adversity, do remember the following lines which I am going to share with you. ज़मीर जिंदा रख, कबीर जिंदा रख, सुल्तान भी बन जाए, दिल में फकीर जिंदा रख, हौसले के तरकश में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रख, हार जा चाहे जिंदगी में सब कुछ, हार जा चाहे जिंदगी में सब कुछ, मगर फिर से जीतने की वो उम्मीद जिंदा रख. This is what